எல்லா பள்ளி கல்லூரிகளில் இருக்கிற பாடத்திட்டத்தில் கண்டிப்பாக இதை ஒரு பாடத்திட்டமாக கொண்டு வரணும். பாலின வேற்றுமையை பற்றியும் பாலின புரிதல்கள் பற்றியும் கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு பாடத்திட்டமாக வைக்கணும்.
હું એક ટ્રાન્સમેન છું અને શિક્ષણ વિભાગ સાથે જોડાયેલો છું. તેથી હું ચાહું છું કે દરેક શૈક્ષણિક સંસ્થાઓમાં એક જેન્ડર ન્યુટ્રલ વોશરૂમ હોવો જોઈએ અને એક જેન્ડર ન્યુટ્રલ રેસ્ટરૂમ હોવો જોઈએ.
Please stop bullying and harassment against all transgender and gender non-conforming children in all educational settings. After all, trans lives matter.
Allow students to wear the uniform consistent with their gender, not with their assigned sex. Educational institutions should facilitate change of name and gender markers in academic certificate for transgender students.
Hi, my name is Vikram and I'm an active member of Sabrang Group. My demand is that all job application forms should have the letter T.
Hello everyone, my name is Jenpui. I'm a trans woman from Manipur. I want to express my opinion in workplace. We should have a gender neutral restroom and allow employees to use restroom consistent with their gender.
कर्मक्षेत्र रे विभिन्न लिंगगत परिचय नै बचुथिबा लोकमानंकु नियुक्ति दवा पई पदक्षेप नियाजिबा दरकार.
Recognize leave applications for transgender people who may need to undergo gender affirming medical procedures while being employed. Public amasung private sector gi department khudimakna transgender employee amana masagi gender affirming medical procedure gi damak leave application tharaklabadi makoi bu sungsoi leave pibigadabani. Thagachari. Thank you.
To enable transgender people to optimize their potential, it is important that employees work towards fostering an inclusive environment where they feel comfortable to be their authentic selves, and that should be welcomed and valued by their colleagues and the firm. This includes providing a range of inclusive benefits and wellness offerings for transgender employees, including a gender-agnostic harassment policy, gender-neutral washrooms, same-sex partner benefits, and parental leave irrespective of gender and or caregiver status. A lot of corporate companies are committed towards adopting these inclusive measures, but where I feel more work needs to be done is definitely sensitization. Bringing a change to the work culture is of utmost importance, and sensitizing staff about unconscious or unintended bias is of precedence. Learning the importance of using right pronouns, being aware and respectful of diverse gender identities and expressions will ensure a more inclusive and work environment. At the same time, establishing an immediate escalation matrix if any homophobia or transphobia is experienced and a zero tolerance policy are very important. Your commitment in creating and sustaining a diverse and inclusive work environment must be absolute.
Namaskar. My name is Simran Sheikh and I am one of the trans activists based in New Delhi. Today we come up with this beautiful hashtag and very important hashtag that trans life matters. Indeed, it is so important that our recent times does not include trans people in their workforce or given an equal opportunity to be as fellow human beings. And hence, we are coming up with a hashtag based in India saying trans life matter. Do you support?
Include gender identity and sexuality as subjects in medical, nursing, and paramedical disciplines for undergraduate and postgraduate students and professionals.
आमर सामाजिक लिंग और सामाजिक लिंगर अभिव्यक्ति जहाँ हेउथा ना कहीं उभय सरकारी और बेसरकारी स्तर में थिबा समस्त प्राथमिक स्वास्थ्य केन्द्र आरंभ करी स्वतंत्र स्वास्थ्य केन्द्र पर्यंत समस्त चिकित्सालय रे भेदभाव विहीन एवं उचित स्वास्थ्य सेवा पाइबा अमर अधिकार
பாலின மாற்றுக்கு தேவையான சிகிச்சைகள் மருந்துகள் மற்றும் ஹார்மோன்ஸ்கள் இலவசமாகவும் மற்றும் காப்பீடு திட்டத்து மூலமாகவும் அனைத்து மருத்துவமனைகளும் எங்களுக்கு எளிதாக கிடைக்க வேண்டும்.
Include T as a gender marker in the OPD and IPD application forms of hospital.
Being transgender is not a mental health illness. I am a transgender. I am born free with my mind, I am born with my body, and I am born free with my soul. My name is Abhi Nahir. I am the transgender activist of India. And today I am here to talk about it. A very important aspect. Stop conversion therapy. Trans lives matters. Thank you.
Ensure safety of transgender, gender non-conforming children in need of care and protection under the Juvenile Justice Act.
મારું નામ પ્રેમ છે. હું વિકલ્પ સંસ્થા સાથે જોડાયેલો છું અને હું એક ટ્રાન્સમેન છું. મારો કહેવાનો મુદ્દો એ છે કે જે ટીજી એક્ટ આવેલું છે જેમાં જો કોઈ સામાન્ય સ્ત્રી સાથે યૌન શોષણ થાય છે, શારીરિક શોષણ થાય છે તો તેના માટેની સજા છે 7 વર્ષ સુધીની હોય છે. જ્યારે કોઈ ટ્રાન્સજેન્ડર વ્યક્તિ સાથે શારીરિક શોષણ થતું હોય છે તો ત્યારે એના માટેની સજા ઓછી કેમ, 2 વર્ષ અથવા તેથી ઓછી કેમ, એ જાણીને મને ખૂબ જ દુઃખ થાય છે કે યૌન શોષણ તો યૌન શોષણ જ છે, તો સજામાં ફેરફાર શું કામને? મારી માંગ એ છે કે કોઈ સામાન્ય સ્ત્રી સાથે યૌન શોષણ થાય કે કોઈ ટ્રાન્સજેન્ડર વ્યક્તિ સાથે થાય તો બંનેમાં સજામાં સમાનતા હોવી જોઈએ.
Hi, my name is Zainab Patel. I wish to remind government and all of the duty bearers that everyone is born free and equal in rights and responsibility. This includes transgender persons. As you go ahead in the implementation of the protection of transgender persons' rights to the various planned interventions, program and legislative actions, we implore you to base these interventions in human rights based approaches. Leave no one behind. Thank you.
ट्रांस लाइव मैटर की बात करते हैं तो हम सबको पता है कि हिस्टोरिकली हमारी कम्युनिटी बैकवर्ड है और हमारे कम्युनिटी को हमेशा वंचित रखा गया है. तो जो भी योजना है, जो योजना औरतों के लिए बनी हुई है, जो SC/ST कम्युनिटी के लिए बनी हुई है, जैसे कि PDS स्कीम हो गए और हाउसिंग स्कीम हो गए, इन सारे स्कीम्स में ट्रांसजेंडर लोगों को राइट होना ज़रूरी है. ये सारे स्कीम्स ट्रांस लोगों को भी मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Ensure transgender survivors of family violence are included in the one-stop shelters and other provisions under the Domestic Violence Act. যে সকল ট্রান্সজেন্ডার মানুষেরা নিজ নিজ পরিবারের দ্বারা নির্যাতনের শিকার হন তাদেরকে ওয়ান স্টপ শেল্টারের আওতায় অন্তর্ভুক্ত করতে হবে এবং নিশ্চিত করতে হবে ডোমেস্টিক ভায়োলেন্স অ্যাক্টের অন্যান্য বিধানগুলির আওতায় যাতে তারা আসেন.
My name is Santa Khurai and I am Anupi Manvi from Manipur. Manipur is a state in the northeast region of India. We have witnessed the constant global development. However, the issues of transgender and narrative of transgender are still keeping undercover, and I question whether in the development transgender peoples are there or not. So I would like to request to the central government of India to ensure a transgender person have the same civil rights as cisgender heterosexual person, including property, inheritance, adoption and recognition of relationships.
End discrimination, harassment and violence against transgender persons by police and jail authorities, including providing separate cells for trans persons.